Guided practice. Now I will guide you through the solution of this problem on your screen. What is the problem? The problem is in a right triangle PQR, angle R is a right angle, and PQ is given as 25 units long, QR 24 units long, and PR is 7 units. And you're asked to find the exact value of each trigonometric ratio. You're asked to find sine P, cos P, tan P, sine Q, cos Q, and tan Q. Now the first thing is, you have to ask yourself a number of questions, problem-solving questions. You recall the questions. Do I understand the problem? Do I understand what is given? What are the givens here? You're given the lengths of the different sides of the triangle. You're given the fact that it's a right triangle. By this symbol here, it's a right triangle. You're given the measurement of the sides, all three sides of the triangle. And you're asked to find the exact value of each trigonometric ratio. Now you ask yourself, have I seen a similar problem, or have I done a similar problem? By asking yourself these questions, you bring to the forefront of your mind your experiences in solving or dealing with similar problems, so you'll be able to solve this problem. What principle can I apply here? What do I need to know to be able to solve this problem? Well, in previous lessons you learned the memory trick for the trigonometric ratios, how to recall what is the ratio for sine, and you recall the expression SOHCAHTOA. Sine would be opposite over hypotenuse, cosine would be adjacent over hypotenuse, and T would be tangent, would be opposite over adjacent. So this mnemonic will help you to recall the different ratios, and you can apply that ratio to this problem. Now before we do so, pause the movie and do the exercise. Remember, practice makes permanent. You want to develop the skill of solving similar problems. So pause the movie and do the exercise. Don't cheat now. Great. Have you given it a shot? Great. Now let's see what you got. Now I'll show you first of all sine P using the mnemonic opposite over hypotenuse. What's the opposite here of sine P? It will be what? 24 over 25. Did you get that? Opposite of hypotenuse, 24 over 25. Now you want to solve for cos P. Cos P is equal to what? Adjacent over hypotenuse would be 7 over 25. And the next problem we want to solve is tan P. Tan P, what's tan P? Tan P would be opposite over adjacent, 24 over 7. D sine Q, opposite over hypotenuse, would be 7 over 25. And we want to solve this one. Cos Q would be what? Cos Q would be adjacent over hypotenuse equal to 24 over 25. And tan Q would be opposite over adjacent, 7 over 25. So you can find the exact values of each trigonometric ratio when you're given all the sides of a right angle triangle by using the trigonometric ratios which you've learned from previous movies.